As we said earlier, the Biden administration is pushing to get 70% of adults vaccinated by July 4th. But many people still have questions and concerns about the shot. News 12's Danielle Moss joins us now live in the studio to eliminate some of those myths. Danielle.
That's right, Emily. Medical professionals have heard many different myths that are keeping people from being vaccinated. We talked to a doctor about the main ones that he has heard. When the vaccine first rolled out, the main concern was the minority community. Now, Dr. Calvin Harris with Meharry Medical College says that rural communities may be the most uninformed.
The most resistance that I've seen in my particular practice, because I see people all over Nashville and the outlying areas in Nashville, has been from people in the rural communities who are not a minority. So I think that a lot of the headway really needs to be made in those communities.
Dr. Smith says that politics have played a large role with mistrust.
At what point do you think the vaccine in general kind of took a political turn?
For whatever reason, people on all sides use that fear to help to bolster their arguments one way or the other, and to marginalize the thoughts around this disease process, which doesn't have any political alignment whatsoever. COVID-19 doesn't vote. It doesn't care.
Some people say that you can get COVID from the vaccine. Another myth that Dr. Smith says just isn't true.
And the actual vaccine doesn't even contain any COVID-19 in it.
Others say that medical professionals are inserting microchips with the shot.
People the likes of Bill Gates, who really has problems of his own right now, and others in the Illuminati and other organizations that are a nefarious plot to try to take us out, make us zombies, expose us to 5G radiation, all sorts of things like that. And none of that is founded either.
Dr. Rochelle Walensky with the CDC has heard rumors of her own, adding that people seem to think the vaccine is not protecting people from various strains.
But for the most part, if you are vaccinated and you don't have an immunosuppressing disease, for example, you really are safe from potential disease around you. We've also seen that these vaccines are working against the variants that are circulating here, and that's a really important component as well.
Dr. Smith says that the key takeaway is to get the shot.
Don't actually know anybody that has died from the vaccine. You probably do know somebody that has died from COVID.
Dr. Smith says that doing your own research from a trusted source like a doctor will help bring people to the truth. In the studio, Danielle Moss, News 12 Now.